This is a Tempstar 12. This is a heat pump. We're at a customer's house picking up a mower. Model is NHP 236 AKC1. 3-ton, 12 SEER R22 refrigerant. Serial is EO3 1020 976-3. Listed section of heat pump. I have no idea where the air handler is, possibly under the house. I don't know, but it's a decent amount away from the house. Armaflex is all worn off. It is a heat pump. I'm in this Tempstar 12. So yeah, I'm going to take a couple pictures of units around here and add into this video, but this is a heat pump. Coils are starting to deteriorate some. A dent there and a dent down there and a big huge dent down there. This is actually the front of the unit right here. It's actually the front, but the label's on the side. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. Same place as the Tempstar 12 heat pump, and there's the neighbor's old rotor or ream heat pump. Sorry it's so foggy that sun's in the way, so yeah, over and out.